Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisi Custom. Today we're going to be sublimating a canvas from Michaels with some polyester fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We would love to have you with our happy family. Okay, what you see here, I have my lettering size here. It's going to be a 13 by 19 paper size. I got my background right here that I'm going to put my picture on top of it. And the reason why I'm doing this right here, because the canvas that I got from Michael is a 12 by 14 and a half or 15. So I'm not going to cover this picture. I'm not going to have it as the size as the paper. So I made it a little smaller, because when I do print it out on my fabric, it's going to stretch. So that's why I'm doing this. And I'll show you at the end when I'm about to put everything together. We're going to go ahead and print it out. Make sure everything is changed. My large paper, Super B 13 by 19. Make sure my image is mirrored. Everything is in portrait. Go ahead and hit print, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone, I'm back with my video. I'm going to do a canvas. Put a picture on here and doing a canvas. I have my polyester cloth that I got from Hobby Lobby, a yard of it, and it's a big yard. I'm telling y'all, it's a big yard. From Hobby Lobby for $5.99 a yard. And I have my canvas here that I got from Michaels. And this is how I measure out my canvas for this, measure my cloth for this canvas. I just put it like that. Push that out. I know most people are going to say that I'm doing it wrong, but this how I would like to do it. And I'm just going to cut along here and cut my fabric. Then I'm going to cut along here. Okay. And the only thing that I'm going to do, maybe if I cut it. Okay, set that aside. Oh, and what you're going to need, you can use scissors, but I find this right here, a fabric cutter, is so much simpler and easier to do. And what I like to do, I just want to see, if it's going to overlap good. So when I do print my picture, everything will be fine. Okay. If anybody looking for butcher paper, I got this butcher paper right here from Sam's Club for $20. That's it, $20. And it's a big roll. I'm telling you, this gonna last for a while. Okay, and I'm gonna just put this over there. Take my Teflon sheet. I was gonna press it out. That's it. Just for a few seconds. That's all you need, just for a few seconds. Just press it out. Okay, we got our portrait printed out. We have our polyester fabric already on the press, and we're just gonna print this right here on that polyester fabric. It's not gonna cover the whole thing, but it'll be fine. I don't know why I'm putting that on there. That thing's so short. Okay, and we're going to press this for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Okay, go ahead and take it off. Set this aside. We don't need that no more. But yes, you can tell it's kind of, you can't see it, but okay. Go ahead and take our, I'm gonna show everybody how it came out. This is how it came out. It came out real good, real good. Okay, once we do that, put my camera down. We're gonna put it on our canvas, just like that. Okay, and you're gonna need fuller. Okay, when you got it where you want it to be, you're gonna get a staple gun. And you're gonna like staple the cloth on there. Make sure you pull it tight. I do my corners first. Not my corners, but my top and my bottom first. Okay. And I flip it around to make sure that it's right. And I flip it back. I just fold that over. And I do the corners. And the staple gun that I have is not a heavy duty staple gun. It's a light staple gun. So anybody can use it. It's not hard or anything to staple. Okay. It's gonna look, you know, raggedy from behind it, but ain't nobody gonna look at the back of it. And that's how it is. Your canvas with that polyester fabric sits right on the canvas and it looks good. I mean, I have some spots that's light, but you know, this right here is just demonstration and show you how, you know, how to do it. If you have any questions, just comment below. Everything that I use for this project right here is going to be in the description box. And that's it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, the like button, and the share button. Well, share it also. And I will talk to you soon. Remember, God loves you and I love you too.